and today I'm going to be showing you what app I use to create my Pinterest pins. So we're just going to get right into it. First, come to Chat GPT because we need the prompt for our Pinterest pin. And you go to GPT's Explorer and you type in Pinterest. And once you do that, this one should come up, Pinterest Optimization GPT. You can try the other ones, but this is the one I found that I like the best. And then you just take your blog post. I already have one. I did this before and I didn't have any audio, so I'm having to redo it again. So take your blog post and the prompt you use is just say, generate a Pinterest pin to promote this blog post, um, and add text overlay. And then you just paste your URL and then you wait for the prompt. Oh, and sometimes it gives you all of this. I just need a simple text image prompt. I don't know why it's doing that, but earlier it gave me a prompt like this one. So let me just, how about I just redo that prompt and see if it'll give me the same thing. I don't want it spaced out. I just want a simple, concise paragraph. Add the text overlay wording into the prompt. And then this is what you get, something like this. And then you just copy. And now we're going to go over to the app I use to generate the images. Prompt. Come over here to my app, which is called Artistly. And this is an image generation app. And in this app, you can create images, not only Pinterest pins, but you can create logos, t-shirt designs, social media posts. You can create storybooks. I mean, it's so much you could do with this app that I'm not going through all that today. But if you would like to check out the app yourself, I do have a link in the description. The great thing about this app is that you can create an unlimited amount of images and it doesn't count. It's not on a credit system. It's a one-time monthly fee and then that's it. And then you come in here and you just get to working. So I'm going to create my image. I'm just going to paste that prompt I got from Chat GPT. I always forget to remind it, do not give me icons in the prompt. All right, and I'm going to do 4 generations of it, and I'm going to do it in a vertical. And so we're just going to wait. This is a Pinterest pin I've already created. This is one of my popular posts. So let's see what we get. It takes a few minutes. Let me refresh the page. And here we go. And I like this one. And I like this one too. And I also like this one. although the words are a little smaller than I like for my Pinterest pins. So I would take this pin and oh, you see how there's that little writing down there at the bottom? Let me go ahead and correct that. This bottom part off right here, I'm just going to regenerate another image. So I'm going to just take my prompt. Oh, I don't even have to do it. I can just regenerate right there. And yep, I'm gonna just keep the same. I'm not even gonna change it. But let me see if the prompt caused me to have. Oh, see, the prompt said brand subtlety with your logo or website in the bottom corner. That's what caused that. So I'm gonna take that out. Excuse me. And so I shouldn't have that the next time. But what I do find neat is that it actually tried to put a little logo down there per the prompt. So, all right, it'll take a few minutes. Let me refresh, and voila, um, still coming up in the bottom. Let me look. I really like this one right here, though. I really like that one. So let me look at the prompt. Let me see if it's saying anything in the prompt about it. Let me try it again. Let me regenerate again. Let's see. Fairy lights. Uh, I don't see why I should be generating that at the bottom still. Oh, I only did one. Let's try. Because I really like this one. So I'm going to regenerate this one. And I can do it as many times as I want. And I have folders, and I put that in my Pinterest pin folders folder. So it's something with the prompt. That one came out real good. That's really nice too. So that's funny. That came out all kind of crazy ways. Um it's something in my prompt that's causing it to come. Let me see. Show good blankets. Take this optional out. Sometimes if you give it too many, um all right, let's try it this way. But I can just keep doing this all day, and I don't have to worry about changing my credits. I mean, I don't have to worry about redoing my credits or that I'm losing credits. These are some really good ones. I will probably take the time to remove these because I really like them. Remove that. That's easy to do. Um, so let's see how it comes up. Let me just show you some of the pins I've already done. Oh, here we go. Here's a good one. And I love that. Look at that. This is the one I'm going to go with. It took me a few times. And I probably could go back and redo the prompt, but for time's sake, I was just trying to show you how I create my Pinterest pins. And so then I would just download this to my desktop, and then I will put this on my scheduler. And all of these pins you see here, I made, um, well, these pins here I made with the app. Before I bought the app, like I said, I purchased the app a few weeks ago, but before I purchased the apps, I was actually using Canva. And that's a great option as well. But as you can see, I have a lot of impressions for my pins, and this is how I make them. So if you want to check out the app for yourself, I'll put a link down below in the description. And if you want to check out my scheduler, Metricool, I also put a link down in the description for you as well. If you found this helpful, please let me know. If you have some other questions about creating Pinterest pins, let me know and I'll make a video answering those questions. Like I said, I've been in this game a long time. So if I can help you out, I am very willing to do that. All right. Thanks. That's all for today.